So in this video, I will talk a little bit more about Gcloud and how to use their services with the Google platform provided services, for example, with instances or compute engine, anything. So the way that this works is, for example, I'll show you. Any command is goes by Gcloud, and then the group, for example, the compute engine. So we give compute. This is the group, and under it, what are the subgroups? So if you see here, for example, so if you can see, this is a compute, and then under this are all the subgroups for VM instances. The subgroup will be instances. You have to have this methodology, if not, it won't work. And then the activity that you want to perform or actions you want to say, for example, let's say create. First, we will list. Can be set on a per basis by running a command project flag. You may set your current, okay, no project, so okay, I understand. Set the project, or we will go to configurations, list. Okay, there is no project there, but there is a project here. So we will activate this and then work on it. So to activate, you got to do configurations and activate. Then this is the name. So now this is activated. So now let's just try running that. Choose Gcloud. Choose Gcloud. Compute instances. List. Zero because there is nothing that is running at the moment. I don't know why it's kind of weird that this is typing here because of the space. I don't know what's happening here. So now let's just create Gcloud compute, create typo, create, you need to give a name, say my I have no idea what's happening. Instances, create, give a name, my instance, created, again typo, created from my instance. We'll just give Gcloud, we don't want to be this big. Click enter. Just wants a zone because we didn't specify any zone. See, there is no default zone, so it's gonna ask, we're gonna give S. I think because I am near to this zone, Europe West one, so that's why I think it's showing this. So as you can see, this is perfectly running. Maybe we can go and check. I'm sure you will be, why would I create it when the GUI is very easy for me just to know the Gcloud for the examination purposes and to know it. See, this is from Gcloud. This is perfectly running, up and running. Maybe you can also use other things to see not just instances. For example, mission types. You can see anything you want. For example, I will show you an example. Compute. mission types. You're going to give a list. It's going to show lots of list types. Also mission types, because it will literally print everything. This might take a couple of, so everything in what zone it is available, all of this is going to be printed. But in case you want to use filter, you say no, I don't want everything, but I just want to see what are the mission types available in particular zones or regions. Let's say we'll set the last 2 zones that is coming, or the last zone that is coming. They do have a lot of mission types, eh? So I'm going back. Wow. I think I can't even scroll up so much. Let's keep on going. Not yet stopped. So let's see. Or you can stop it. There is a lot actually. Okay. So now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to do this, but I want to filter it. I want to filter. And what zone can I pick? In what zone do I want to see something? Maybe I'll go with I have an idea on what to do. Okay, filter, and then you give the one that you want to filter, which is zone, or you can also give region, hyphen Europe West 1. You can also give this for region. It obviously works. Region, zone, anything, any filter you want to apply, not just for this. Am I doing a typo? For I think it's maybe, let's try the zone. East. I think it's probably should be around there. Ah, okay. We'll try to see this one. That's the problem. I understand now. Oh, it shows everything in the, okay, B, C. Okay, the entire West 1. Okay, it shows for the entire West 1. But let's say we want everything is West 1. Because we have given here is the West 1. I'm not gonna go that way. So if you want to add multiple filters, all you gotta do is come here. Come to the zone. Here is double quotes, and for the value, you got like this, and you gotta end with this, and you gotta do this, and then inside you can give the next one, which is space, copy. Oh, crap. Then you paste 2, and then you write 2. And then you do the same, you do this. This now. Oops, I forgot to put slash, which is here, enter. Now if you can see, you will just filter out for the multiple values that we are entered. So I think this is how you use Gcloud in playing around with the services provided by the GCP. As you can see, 1 2 1 2 1 1 2. I remember using 2. So this is how you play around with Gcloud, and I will add more stuffs in detail so that you get familiar with the Gcloud, so that it helps you in the exam and for your knowledge as well. So catch you in the next one.